DJH Prestige Sports. This is not my usual stock, it's one we took in part exchange, but it absolutely drives fantastic and the condition is absolutely lovely as well. It's sold out of retail standards obviously because of the age and mileage, but we've tested it, we've driven it and it drives lovely. It's the Ghia, low mileage as well, only done 66,000 miles. The alloy wheels, 5-door. Complimentary full leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors. $66,480 miles. I'll just start it up for you so you can hear it. It sounds absolutely lovely. It's even got air conditioning that does work. I've just tested it. Stereo system there. 5-speed gearbox. Obviously this is sold at retail standards, so there's no finance to be offered. Give us a call if you require any more information on 07503 751 005. Thank you.